Today I'm going to be working on this kit from my Fabric Addiction, and it's a precut quilt kit, and I don't know if there's a name. Oh, Red, White, and Cute is the name of it, and I will leave a link to the website for this, and also I have a coupon code. For your first purchase, you get $15 off. I will also put that in the description of this video. It comes in a nice box, and it comes with the pattern, and all your pieces are all inside, pre-cut and ready to go. Okay, these are your A blocks, and the white ones are your B blocks. They're already cut. If you're making this from the pattern, you could use with the fabric and then sew them together and then cut as you go. But I'm just gonna make it the way it says in the pattern. So I'm gonna take an A and a B and sew that together. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces sewn together for the first block. Okay, you're just gonna open this up. You can press. I don't have my iron on, so I'm just gonna finger press. I'm gonna press to the dark. Now I need another red here on the other side here. To the dark. And now we're going to do another white right here. Same thing, press towards the dark. And one more red. Now your block is finished. So here is your block. It's finished. Now you need to make the rest of them. But I'll do that off camera. Here's all the pieces for the star blocks. You have your squares. You have your triangles. You have white squares and white triangles. Label those if you like and get it ready to sew. We're going to make our HSTs first. So you're going to sew all these blues to all these whites. I've sewed all my HSTs and squared them up. Okay, I am going to sew my 4 patches together. Just like this. So I'm going to sew these two and these two. So these two here together. And now these two together. Okay, now we're just going to open these up. And I'm going to finger press them open. So they're going to be just like that. I'm going to sew it together. Okay, and then finger press this open. If I can get to it. Okay. All right, so I have chain pieced them all the 4 blocks that I needed for this. So now we're going to grab 4 of them. And we're going to arrange them according to the diagram. Oops, that ain't it. So 1 there, 1 there. So just like that, you got all 4. So I picked out all 4 pieces. So now you're going to take your top 2 and your bottom 2. And you're going to sew those together and sew this together. I just happen to have 2 already done. So now you'll have this, and you're just going to sew this together. And there you have it. So now I will finish the rest of these all off camera. Okay, here's the layout of the quilt. Now, I'm going to start at the top. I'll take all these blocks over, sew them together, and then I'll put that back on the design wall, and then I'll do the same for the rest of the rows. There's no sashing or anything. And I'll meet you back here when all that's finished. All the blocks are sewn together in rows, alternating the stripes with the stars. So next step, we're going to sew all the rows together and line up the seams right here. Line up this seam with this seam all the way down the line. And I will do that off camera, show you what we got, what I have, and then we will start on the borders. Yippee! All right, this part is finished. Now you're going to take your white pieces for the border. You're going to sew them all together end to end, and then you'll cut them to fit the top. You'll cut them to fit the bottom, and then you'll measure and cut them for each side and sew all those on. I will do all that off camera. And there's the upper border it's on, and the lower border. Now I'll put on the side border. The white borders are on all the way around. Now all I have left to do is put on the blue border, and then this is finished except for, you know, quilting and red binding, all that stuff. Okay, the borders are on. It's finished. Thanks for watching. I need to get a bigger design board. I can't fit it all.